Hey, what's going on, guys? Your boy LSRY254. As you can see, tuned in for another one. What we got going on here? Armrest getting painted up. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much everything getting blacked out. I'm letting these dry and then bringing another coat. Bringing another coat for that so that they can get done. In the last video, I showed y'all, I want to say, when was that? Whenever I showed it to y'all, I was telling y'all that, you know what I'm saying, the door panels, they got done by Cortez Resto Mods, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, check them out for all your automotive needs. When he decided to open up shop or whatever, redo these door panels real nice, you know what I'm saying? All the way in there, man. All the way in there. Good shit. So, but yeah, let me show you what I'm thinking about. Yeah, this interior done kind of turned into like a three-part thing. But yeah, from last time when we was in here, I was telling y'all. See, I put the black on the sides. It's looking pretty good. And then I was thinking about pulling this dash out because at this point, the dash is about the only thing that kind of sticks out like an ugly sore thumb with that brown. And if everything else is pretty much being blacked out, going black and blue, then we need to take care of this dash as well. So, it's been a while since I pulled one out, but I know this is like one of the main screws. Probably some stuff behind there I might have to take out. I don't know. Maybe is it possible that I could just paint it inside the car? I don't think I want to do that. I don't think I would want to do that. I mean, because honestly, if you think about it, you know what I'm saying, you just gotta hit, like, really, you just gotta paint like right here. You know what I'm saying? Get down over here. Of course, like tape over that. And just come down the bottom. Let me see. Along the bottom of that. You know, get your column. Let me see what else. Yeah, I'm really trying to avoid pulling this motherfucker out. And this up here, unless I paint over it, it's still going to be black, or it's still going to be brown-ish. So, should I paint over everything? Or, I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm just trying to think of a way that I could do this without pulling this whole damn thing out. So if I only had to, you know, just, you know, like I said, really all you gotta do is get the sides. Okay, clean it up real good. You know what I'm saying? Spray paint over all that shit. I'm pretty sure somebody done it. I just ain't seen the video. So if y'all done seen it, or let me know down in the comments below if, you know what I'm saying, just painting over this bitch is an option in the car. Cause I mean, who knows? I might not stay with this always. So I'm trying to weigh my options here. So I was trying to weigh my options here. Yeah, roof go back. Look at it from the inside. Y'all let me know, dog. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt. Chevy 254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.